Hi guys, I'm Charlotte Richards. This is me and my cutie husband. My voice is really annoying. I know, I'm sorry. My dream job is to be a forensic psychologist. The job description is you evaluate prisoners and their behavior, you assess juries, you deal with terrorist negotiations, you advise law enforcement officials on likely behavioral responses from criminals, like what they might do, depending on what you do, and you determine whether or not suspects are fit to stand trial. To be a forensic psychologist, you need a bachelor's degree in psychology, which I'm halfway there. You can get a master's degree, you don't need to, but you do need a doctorate, so you could just go straight to the doctorate. After your doctorate, you need state licensure and to be certified by the board. As I said before, I'm halfway through my bachelor's. I will be a junior after this semester in psychology. I chose psychology because I've always been interested in kind of why we work the way that we work and how our brains work and, why we are who we are, and like what can have an effect on who you are, like what shapes you into who you are. And I love true crime. I love crime shows. I love FBI shows. I love courtroom procedural dramas and reality shows and everything like that. I've always been fascinated. I read a lot about serial killers and about the psychology behind all of that. I know way more about serial killers than my mom likes. My reasons compared to other psychology majors' reasons, the number one is the same. I have a very strong interest in the subject matter. And I do want to be a professional. My ultimate dream is to be a professional psychologist. I don't know if I have the patience or, the work ethic to go through all of that schooling, but, it's what I would love to do. And that is that. I'm Charlotte Richards. Thank you for listening.